This is a fantastic bike. It has got two bouncing wheels to jump with the bike. It has got a pushchair to sit down and a round table to carry the pets. It has got two brakes to stop the bike and one bell to warn people. Apart from that, it has got four roofs to protect the pets. It has got a button to turn the wheels into skis and to ski in the snow. It's big and colorful. You can use it to ski with your pets. It's made of bamboo and we like it a lot. It's useful for riding the bike with your pet. It's the best!
Go.
This is our new bike. It has got three wheels to move the bike. It has got a sewing machine to fabric the seat and a roof to protect from the weather. It has got a light to see in the dark and a chair to sit down. Apart from that, it has got a fridge to carry the cold food. It has got two cupboards to carry the objects and to protect the clothes.
It has two mobile phones to play with while you are riding the bike. This is big and green and red. It's used for traveling on holidays. It's made of metal and plastic and we like a lot. The bike is useful because it's very technological. It is the best! Our bike. This is our new bike. It has got a TV to watch football. It has got an umbrella to protect the lamp and a basket to carry the fish. It has got a saddle to sit down and three turbos to fly. Apart from that, it has got a light in the saddle to see in the dark. It has got two wheels to move the bike and to down. It is medium size and blue. It's used for going to the mountain. It's made of metal and rubber and we love it. The bike is very clean and heavy because it has a lot of things. It's the best! This is a fantastic bike. It has got a TV to watch videos. It has got a table to support further TV. It has got a sofa to sit down and take a rest. Apart from that, it has got two wheels to move the bike. It's used for going to the mountain. It's big and long. The bike is fantastic because it has a TV. It's made of metal and we like it a lot. It's the best. This is a fantastic bike. This has got two legs to see in the dark. It has got two saddles to sit down and a sofa for the kids. It has got two medium-sized wheels to move the bike and a basket to put flowers. Apart from that, it has got two blankets to protect the kids. It has got a pig to play with kids and a hat. It is colorful and aesthetic. It is used for racing in the city with the family. It's made of metal, plastic, cotton and we love it a lot. The bike is big because it has got a lot of things. It's the best! It is our new bike. It has got two wheels to move the bike. It has got a handlebar to direct the bike. It has got a chair to down and to be safe. Apart from that, it has got parachute. It has got an umbrella to protect yourself and from the sun and from the rain. It is big and red. It's used for going to China. It's made of metal and we love it. The bike is very fantastic because I ride it for going home. It's the best! This is the fantastic bike.
It has got 2 legs to sit in the bike.
It has got 4 pedals to move the chain, a chain to move the bike.
It has got 4 handlebars to direct the bike and brakes to stop the bike.
Apart from that, it has got boxes to warn people to carry pets.
It has got 2 bells to warn people and a special chain for transport babies.
This is enormous and black.
It's used for moving in a town.
It's made of metal, plastic, and we like it a lot.
The bike is very easy because it is easy to move around or at all.
It's the best.
This is our new bike. It has got a spring to move the bike.
It has got a sofa to sit down or friends and watch the TV.
It has got an umbrella stand to carry the umbrella and protect yourself.
Apart from that, it's got a light to see in the dark.
It has got a box to carry the potato chips and to carry the drinks.
Apart, it is yellow and orange and green and black.
It's used for carrying friends.
It made of metal and plastic and we love it.
The bike is very big because I carry my friends to school. It is the best.
This is our fantastic bike.
It has got 3 wheels to move the bike.
It has got 2 saddles to sit down and wheels too.
It has got 4 pedals to move the wheels. To carry my dog.
Apart from that, it has got a box to carry my dog.
It has got a basket to carry my hamburger.
It is big and black.
It used to move the school.
It is made of plastic and metal.
It's just and very clean because I ride to move the school.
It's the best.
This is our fantastic. This is our.
This is our fantastic bike. It has got a light to see in the dark. It has got a sofa to sit down and handlebars to ride the bike. It has got a basket to carry the pig and TV to see the lamp. Apart from that, it has got 4 wheels to move the bike. It has got a basket to carry the food and water. It's orange and big. It's riding for It's for riding in the mountain. It's made of metal, wood, plastic. We like it a lot. The bike is very big because it has got a lot of seats. It's the best.